Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your green line problem in your Motorola tab G62. How you can fix it, like if this happen, you can see this green line problem, how you can fix this problem. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like our video. So let's start. First go to settings option. First settings, to tap one time to just select this, and then tap two times to just open the settings like this. Swipe down by two fingers like this. Go to accessibility, and friends, you can see there is a talkback feature. Just turn it on. Just click on it to off the settings like this. Click one time, stop, and then two times. It will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video. See you next time.